Welcome to today's video, where we're going to explore an incredibly transformative idea: how to change your life using words, almost like casting spells. Now, before you get too excited, let me remind you that this is not some magical shortcut that bypasses effort or wisdom. Instead, we'll look at how the words you speak can influence your thoughts, shape your emotions, and even change your reality. Words are not just tools for communication. They are like energetic codes, each carrying a specific vibration that affects the world around you. These vibrations have the power to influence everything, from your relationships to your career, and even your physical health. So, when we speak intentionally, we are tapping into something profound, something that can transform us from within. However, there is a big but. Words are like spells, and just like with any magic, they must be used with great care. In this video, we will explore how words, when used intentionally, can act as spells to manifest the life you desire. We will also discuss the science behind this, the ancient wisdom on this topic, and give you some practical tips on how to use words wisely. But remember, with great power comes great responsibility, so use these techniques with caution. Understanding the energy of words. To start, let's explore the core of this concept. Words are energy. Every word you speak carries a frequency. Think about how words can instantly shift your emotional state. For example, a word like love might bring feelings of warmth and connection. On the other hand, a word like hate could invoke feelings of anger or resentment. Words are not just static things we use to communicate. They carry vibrations that affect our consciousness. These vibrations have the ability to influence our thoughts, actions, and even our physical state. When you use words, whether positive or negative, you are sending out energetic waves into the universe, and those waves have the potential to come back to you. Consider the concept of vibration. Everything in the universe, matter, light, even our thoughts, vibrates at a certain frequency. Words are no exception. When we speak, we are emitting energy that can either raise or lower our vibration. Words like hope, joy, and peace carry high vibrations that can elevate your energy and bring positivity into your life. Words like failure, unworthy, and fear carry low vibrations that can block your potential. Words are not just forms of communication. They are powerful tools that influence the fabric of reality. The energy behind your words is like planting seeds in the soil of your subconscious, and just like any seed, what you plant is what will grow. Words as spells in ancient cultures. The use of words as spells is not a new concept. Ancient cultures have long known the power of words to create, destroy, and transform. In fact, many cultures viewed language as magical, and they believed that words could shape reality itself. Let's look at how ancient traditions utilized the power of words. Ancient Egypt. The Egyptians had a profound respect for the power of words. They believed that the spoken word could invoke gods and spirits, and they used incantations in their rituals to create changes in the material world. The Egyptian Book of the Dead contains numerous incantations meant to guide the soul in the afterlife, reflecting the belief that words could influence both the physical and spiritual realms. Greek and Roman traditions. The ancient Greeks and Romans practiced theurgy, which was the art of invoking divine forces through specific spoken rituals or spells. Words, in this sense, were believed to connect humans with the divine realm, allowing them to access greater knowledge and power. Hebrew scriptures. In the Jewish tradition, the power of the word is fundamental. In the Torah and Kabbalah, the concept of words or letters is treated with the highest reverence. It is said that God created the world through words. "Let there be light" was the very first spoken command in Genesis. In this context, words were seen as the building blocks of the universe. From these ancient perspectives, words were not simply means of communication. They were viewed as tools of creation. Whether used in religious rituals, personal invocations, or magic, words were seen as capable of bringing about profound transformations. The science behind words and the subconscious mind. So, how does this ancient wisdom connect with modern science? The subconscious mind plays a key role in how words influence our reality. The subconscious is a powerful part of the mind that controls our behaviors, emotions, and beliefs without us even being aware of it. It is constantly absorbing information, especially from the words we speak and hear. When you repeat certain words or phrases, you create neural pathways in your brain that reinforce specific beliefs and emotions. This repetition forms belief systems that influence how you experience the world. Let's break this down. Repetition. Every time you repeat a positive affirmation like, "I am worthy," your subconscious begins to believe it. The more often you say it, the more your brain starts to align with this belief, and eventually, it will affect your behavior. You may begin to take actions that align with your new belief of worthiness. Impact on emotion. Words are linked to emotions. If you say, "I am strong," or "I can do this," your body responds with an energetic shift. You may start feeling more confident or empowered. Similarly, negative words like, "I can't," or "I'll never make it," trigger feelings of fear or inadequacy. Vibration. The more positive or negative words you use, the more they affect your vibrational frequency. Positive words like peace or love help elevate your frequency, while negative words like anger or regret lower it. Your vibration is directly tied to what you attract in life. So, when you consciously choose the words you use, you are essentially rewriting the programming of your subconscious mind. This is how words can be used as spells, by reprogramming your mind and energy to align with your desires. Words as spells for manifestation. Now that we understand the power of words, let's dive into how you can use words to manifest your desires. Manifestation is the process of turning your thoughts and intentions into reality, and words play a crucial role in this process. Here are a few methods to use words as spells for manifestation. Affirmations. Positive affirmations are powerful tools for shifting your mindset. An affirmation is a statement of truth that reflects the outcome you want. Examples of affirmations include, "I am abundant and worthy of wealth." "I am attracting healthy relationships." "I am powerful and capable of achieving my goals." The more you repeat these affirmations, the more they sink into your subconscious, gradually shaping your reality. Intention setting. Be specific and clear with your words. Instead of saying, "I want to be successful," say, "I am creating a successful business that brings me financial freedom and personal fulfillment." The more specific your intentions, the more focused your energy becomes. Visualization with words. Visualization is a powerful tool in manifestation. But when you combine it with spoken words, you increase its effectiveness. For example, while visualizing yourself living your dream life, say, "I am living in my dream house and I feel so grateful for it." This aligns your words with the mental image, amplifying the power of both. By using words like spells, you align your subconscious with your desires, making it easier for the universe to bring those desires into reality. The dark side of words. Use with caution. While words can be incredibly powerful for creating positive change, they also come with the potential for harm. Negative words can limit your growth, damage your relationships, and attract unwanted situations into your life. Here are some examples of how words can backfire. Negative self-talk. If you constantly tell yourself, "I am not good enough," or "I'll never succeed," you're programming your subconscious to believe these thoughts. This lowers your self-esteem and can hinder your ability to achieve your goals. Gossip and criticism. Speaking negatively about others, whether in gossip or judgment, lowers your own vibration. It not only harms the person you're talking about, but it also attracts negative energy into your own life. Spells gone wrong. In the world of magic, there is the concept of unintended consequences. Just like a spell cast without proper intention, words spoken in anger or frustration can backfire. For example, speaking ill of someone may temporarily relieve your frustration, but it can return to you in the form of conflict or bad karma. Remember, the energy behind words is important. If you speak from a place of love and integrity, you will manifest positive outcomes. But if you speak from a place of fear, anger, or resentment, you may bring negativity into your life. How to use words wisely for positive transformation. If you want to use words as spells to change your life, you must do so mindfully. Here are some steps to ensure you use words to empower yourself and others. Choose words of empowerment. Replace negative words with positive, empowering ones. Instead of saying, "I can't," say, "I will find a way." Instead of saying, "This is impossible," say, "This challenge is an opportunity for growth." Daily affirmations. Make a habit of affirming your worth and your goals daily. Speak words that affirm your vision for your life and repeat them with belief. Practice gratitude. Words of gratitude raise your vibration. Say, I am so grateful for the abundance in my life and truly feel it. Gratitude attracts more to be grateful for. Be present in your speech. Speak with intention and mindfulness. Before speaking, pause and ask yourself, is this aligned with my higher self and the reality I want to create? Speak with purpose and authenticity. Words are far more than just tools for communication. They are magical instruments that can create, transform, and manifest your reality. They hold an immense amount of power, and when used intentionally, they can change your life in profound ways. But remember, like any powerful tool, they must be used with respect and caution. Choose your words wisely. Use them to elevate your vibration, empower your mind, and manifest your desires. Speak life into your dreams and speak kindness into the world. The magic of words is yours to harness. Just be sure to use it with care. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share it with someone who might benefit from the power of words. Leave a comment below and let us know how you plan to use words like spells in your own life.